Good morning, everyone. My name is Vijay Gupta, and my another teammate's name is Nayan Pratap Singh. So, me and my teammate Nayan Pratap has participated in this hackathon called Hack 36 Hackathon. So, we made an amazing app which is known as Pandemic Cure, and it is based on the topic Life in Pandemic. So, let's get started about the introduction of our app. So we have made a very simple desktop UI based web application where an infected person can request for his or her treatment to nearby hospital just by filling the details. After submission of details, our team will send you the mail which will contain the details of the treatment. So what problem does it solve? It solves the problem of the spreading of COVID as the person will get all the details regarding his treatment or his quarantined home. He doesn't have to visit any hospitals anymore. So challenges faced by us are some proposals are incomplete due to less time, and the website UI is only for the desktop version. We are working for the mobile version on all the device compatible versions. So let's get started and visit the site. So you can visit the site by the link mentioned in our GitHub repo. Let's click here. So here you can see that our website is open and it has a beautiful UI and it contains the five tabs, and here on home page we can see that there is a button. So if a user wants to submit the details here, the user will have to click the I am infected button. So after clicking, a pop-up box will appear and you have to fill all the details. Let's fill all the details. And here we have to fill the details regarding the days of being infected. Let's say 12. So after filling the details, we have to click the submit button. And after clicking the submit buttons, all the details of that user will be saved in the database. So how does our system works? So after the user have saved the details in the database, our system will look for the hospitals nearby by looking at the city and the details provided by the COVID infected person. So here you can see that the beautiful pop-up box has appeared, and if you want to know more about the COVID, yeah, you can click this link or you can cut this by clicking on here. So our website contain the five tabs. Let's visit the about section. Here about section will contain all the details regarding the pandemic. What is pandemic? How does it occur? And what are the preventive measures to control? And let's moving on to the next tab, which contain COVID stats. So this tab contain the details of the COVID. What are the symptoms of the COVID? How does it spread? And what is the history of it? And now you can see here a beautiful frame which will contain the details regarding the statistics of the COVID-19 cases all across the world. Let's suppose we want to get details of the our country, India. Here you can see a beautiful graph of the COVID cases per day. And moving on to the next tab, here we can see that I have created a beautiful UI where a person can search for the COVID stats by mentioning by entering the details of the country. Here we want to get the details of COVID stats of India. Let's say we have entered India and now click on show stats. So here we can see the confirmed cases, recovered cases, and that this is based on the API which is used in Arogya Setu web app. Moving on to the next tab, here we have the history. So this history tab will contain the page which will contain all the history of the pandemic that has occurred in our world till now. Let's say the Black Death, 1980 Spanish flu, and the smallpox, and there are many pandemics which has been occurred, and we as a human have found the solution of it. We have overcome that pandemic, and soon we will overcome our COVID-19 problem too. Moving on to the next, we have contact. So if a user has any queries or details or it want any info about our site or the services, he or she can fill the details here in the contact us page. Here we can enter our name, our emails, and our service, and here we can enter all the details we want or message we want to send. So this is from our team. Thank you for giving us the chance to showcase this project. This is team Wem Developer. Thank you.